Take a hot dog, stuff it with some jack cheese, fold it in a pizza. You got cheesy blasters. Yeah, that's right. Later tonight, or maybe this afternoon for my lunch. I haven't decided. Depends. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make a cheesy blaster. I'm gonna make, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do it like a calzone or something. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna make a cheesy blaster. But that's not until later. First, today, June 1st, is National Donut Day. And I'm like Homer Simpson. But I'm gonna go to Duck Donuts. Just because that's my favorite donut right now. Is Duck Donuts. And I've never actually been inside one. I've just had them, like somebody brought them to work, so I'm going to go to Duck Donuts. And then later I'm also going to go shopping with my mother. And so it's going to be a day with really wild food, and let's get going. Oh, I don't like the lighting in here. Whatever, breakfast round one, just to keep me going until I get to the donut store. I have coffee. This is from the Nespresso machine that I have, which I have a love-hate relationship with because I love the coffee it makes, but I always feel so bad about with the pods, the expense and the waste, and this that looks nasty, but Greek yogurt, peaches, probably enough cinnamon that I'm gonna regret it. Waiting on my donut, but here's my adorable coffee cup. There was no seating inside of there, really. I just found this little bench outside the shop, which hopefully they won't get mad at me for sitting and having my donut here. It's in here. It is warm. It is cinnamon sugar. It smells, oh my god, it's so warm and so soft. It was like sugar falling off. Look at that. Christ, oh god, it's so hot. That's a good donut. I really hope I managed to convey some of the joy and delight that donut brought me. That was, without a doubt, the best donut I have ever had in my life. And even better than when I had the Duck Donuts at work that time, because it was hot, it was fresh, and just that elevates it to a whole other level. I also found out, not only did they just have the donuts, donut ice cream sundaes and donut breakfast sandwiches. So I think I'm gonna go back. Okay, so a fun little update. I just saw a casting call for a movie. They're gonna start, it's about beauty pageants, and I submitted with pictures with my dance stuff, with my wig and makeup and tiara, and I thought that looked pageantish, but they are probably looking for someone who's tall and tan, and I am neither. Anyways, I am having a snack, just some almonds. To be honest, I'm kind of having that where I want it, but I don't want it. I feel like I should not be hungry after what I've been eating and feel like I should hold out until lunch, but that's not a productive thought to indulge, so I'm just gonna have some dough. This is going to be phase one of making the cheesy blaster, which is just I took it out of the fridge and I'm letting it set. Eventually I will get around to how I do the whole pizza dough from the process, but right now there's still so much in my freezer. It'll probably be a few more weeks. I went to Talbot's and got some very grown-up, adult, professional looking clothes. Most importantly is this piece of tissue paper for the cat. There you go, Nugget. Alright, let's see what's in this bag. It'll probably be cat helping me. It's these new clothes. They don't have any cat hair on them yet, and we've got to fix that. So, first is just this neat blazer. I love that shade of blue. I love it so much that I can hear Nugget playing with the tissue paper so much that I also got a dress that Frankie's now walking on. Dress in the same shade of blue. It's just a long dress. That's for my cousin's wedding, which is coming up in July. And a blouse with the nice brooch, which looks fantastic with that blazer. And just some navy slacks. There's my dough. I think instead of like a calzone, I'm gonna like shape it out and wrap it around. I don't know. Ah, dough. I think everyone should experience bread making and playing with dough. It's just so satisfying. Put some salsa. There it is with some cheese. Just cheap, terrible. You kind of want. Right. Oh, did a good job. This is the important part. I hope you can hear the sizzle. Preheated skillet. Scorching hot oven. I'm gonna turn the oven off and the broiler on, and that is how the pizza making magic. So I messed up. Left it in the oven a little too long, so it's a little burnt, but I'm still gonna try it and hope it's okay. Yeah, and then some peas and carrots because vegetables make it healthy. I'm just gonna ignore the bright sunlight. I think this is cooled enough that I won't burn my face off trying to eat it. But anyway, if it wasn't burnt on top, the goal is that the preheated skillet cooks around the bottom like a pizza stone. Then you put it onto the broiler, you get it really hot like a fire oven. But maybe it was a little too fiery this time. I think I'm just gonna pick this up and eat it like a log and see how this goes. It's strange. Hot dog inside a pizza. It would be really good like with a Italian sausage, but alright, it's good. Glad I did it once. Before I finish off the last nibble, I just wanted to show you the beauty of this bread. I made this. Baking bread, it's not as hard as it looks, and I promise that one of these days I will do a pizza dough video. It's really not that complicated, but like, look at this bread. Well, that's a money shot right there. I had to get out of the house for a little bit, so I just came to Starbucks for a cold brew. That's all that's going on right now. Check out my dinner. Some pasta with spinach, cherry tomatoes, a little balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, a shit ton of parm. What else? Cracked pepper, and of course that lovely runny egg on top. Because protein. A little snacky. Honestly, I've kind of been dithering with that whole, I don't know if I'm hungry or not. Since I've been thinking about it for a while, I'm gonna say the answer's probably yes. So I'm gonna have this banana, which is a little less ripe than I normally like it, but I really want the banana. And then here's the other thing. Oh, now it's a phone. Hello. Here's the other thing about this banana phone. I feel like I've just the sugar in it, and yes, I get weird about fruit sugar. Like, still had hang-ups about any kind of carbohydrates, about any kind of sugar. So I'm thinking about the donut. I'm thinking about the fruit. I already have. I'm thinking about like the pasta sauce, the everything. And like logically, I know that like fruit sugar is not the same as donut sugar, but I'm still like, oh my god, I'm afraid I'm gonna get diabetes. But I'm just gonna eat this banana. But it needs to, I wish it was more brown though, but this is what I got. I'm just out of the shower. I had another one of, just like the last time, I don't know if I'm hungry or not, and then conceding to the fact that I am hungry and I should eat, but then like not wanting to eat. Oh, I just feeling like I've eaten too much and that I don't need more carbs or more sodium or more anything, but whatever. I'm gonna have popcorn anyway. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go right to bed. Y'all have fun and be safe.